We thought we had a little bit of a relief bounce yesterday, but guys, wow, what a way to start the day. We have gotten hammered in these crypto markets right now. And honestly, we're just going to be taking a look at what's going on in market conditions right now. Take a look at a holistic approach of the crypto markets with a focus on Turbo right now. However, to keep things short, if you guys just want to watch the first 30 seconds of this and realize, guys, listen, we can't just talk about a single meme coin without talking about the broader crypto market. And in this video, we're probably going to focus a little bit more on the broader crypto market right now, because without determining where Bitcoin, where Ethereum is going to go, you may as well not even talk about meme coins as a whole. Does this mean I'm not bullish? Absolutely not. But we will get into everything in detail. If you guys are new, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day here on this channel. I try to help you guys find the next hidden gem. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you like this video so YouTube pushes it out on the algorithm just a little bit more. With that being said, family, let's get right into today's video. Now, right off the bat here, crypto markets, this morning when I woke up, I was about to start recording, but then I got preoccupied, had to go clean the sink and everything like that. I had to run to Home Depot to get some products. And then when I came back, the markets took a dump, guys. I mean, Bitcoin is now back at 90,700. Ethereum, I literally saw it at, okay, well, it wasn't updated. Bitcoin's at 88K. I saw Ethereum at 2,800. There we go. The lowest it's been, guys, in a year, I want to say. Or maybe not. The lowest has been since about July 2025. Okay, and it seems like there is a lot more room for going lower. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys that I think that the worst of it is in. Guys, honestly, we've been having fear, like back-to-back fear days for a really long time that we haven't seen ever. I want to say I don't think we've seen this type of fear get dragged on as long as we have right now. So obviously we need the markets to recover in order for any of our meme coins to even consider pumping yet again. You can see the fear and greed index over here sitting at 16 extreme fear levels. However, there's a lot of positive news that's coming out in like fundamentally. That's a very interesting part. Now, could this be manipulation? Nobody really knows. What could this be? There's one of two things that could really be happening in the crypto markets, guys. And obviously we're either going down or we're going up. Now, if we are going down, that means that the 4-year cycles are still intact. The 4-year cycles are still intact. However, the Bitcoin top already came in. I want to say around 130K. That was a Bitcoin top. And we're going to see a little bit more of a downside move, especially going into 2026, which means you guys should be stacking. You guys should be working extra jobs. You guys should be, spending diligently, not using your money, as fluently as you should, and you guys should be stacking as much funds as you can, guys, to be buying during the bear. Okay, because the bear market obviously isn't in yet, but when it comes to the bear market, you want to make sure you have enough funds on the side to actually accumulate these Bitcoin, Ethereum, some altcoins at insanely low prices. I mean, guys, Solana at one point during last bear market was at $8, and you could also be getting into meme coins at low price as well. The other option, which I still think this is the likely one, is that we recover, we run into 2026, mid 2026, we may see the market peak out. And that is what I'm expecting will happen. You can see volume for Turbo up 153%, although this isn't what we want to see. Market cap at literally sitting at $100 million right now, guys, okay? Absolutely destroyed. This chart is cooked, right? In the last year, we're down 82%. And that's for the sole reason that when Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't performing well, none of these meme coins are going to perform well either. And one thing that I would recommend right now is, guys, just take a step away from buying meme coins. If you want to buy something so bad, the only two cryptos I would recommend is literally either Ethereum or Bitcoin. Or you could play it safe, get into stocks, get into ETFs, get into something like that for the time being. So you could park your funds, you could park your money somewhere. But what you guys should really be doing, guys, is finding extra sources of income, because if that bear market comes, you want to be prepared to take full advantage of it. Now, when we take a look at the website, guys, for Turbo, you guys already know it, but you're not here to see this. You know that Turbo is probably one of the better meme coins that came out in this cycle, right? Everything was going well for this project. Contract renounced, no taxes, total supply, crowdfunded launch, and the community is still fairly bullish on this project. And again, I'm still bullish on the project too, but we need the overall market to recover. And until that happens, fellas, you better believe none of these meme coins are going to run. That's just the realistic approach to it, right? You can see at that support area over here at this $100 million mark, if we need to hold this level, right? We need to hold this. If we lose this support, all hell breaks loose, guys. Nobody really knows how low we could go. And that really just depends on how crypto moves as a whole. Again, how Bitcoin, how Ethereum decide to react. All I can really tell you guys, the best thing to do, guys, is just work harder wherever it is that you are in your life right now. Pick up another job. Stop spending as much as you are. Try to cut back on subscriptions and things like that. Don't go out as much to eat out. Save that money, guys, because there is going to be another bull run. And if we do go into 2026, you can still accumulate along the way if prices do start to recover. Now we take a look at everything that's going on in crypto Twitter right now. You can see, guys, people are scared. Bitcoin overview, right? Let's read this overview. 2013 to 2014 cycle. Once price closed under the moving average, it triggered a deep 71% correction. After finding the bottom, Bitcoin made a 94% relief rally back towards the moving average to 200, but failed to reclaim it. Conclusion for this cycle was that the moving average 200 acted as a heavy resistance during the entire bear market, or the bear phase. In 2017 to 2018 cycle, the conclusion, moving average 200, bear market roof in this cycle. So again, tried to make a move above it, guys, but that was the roof. Again, 2021, 2022, moving average 200 was the rejection, and it was a continuation of the bear market. Now in 2025, in this cycle that we're having right now, Bitcoin has again broken below the moving average 200 after a big run. So far, the correction is 28%, and it's in line with previous cycles. If Bitcoin repeats history, a relief rally towards the moving average 200 is likely. Failure to reclaim that MA200 could trigger multi-month sideways/lower price action. A clean reclaim of the moving average 200 will signal a new bullish phase. So again, we have to weigh our options here, okay? You need to understand, guys, that there is no clear-cut answer right now. We literally just need to take it day by day to figure out where we are right now. Obviously, there's two sides to the party right now. There's two sides to the coin. There's one side that is extremely bearish. I think we're in the full-on bear market. And there's another side, guys, that is optimistic that 2026 things are going to recover. I want to say I have more of my weight over on the side that thinks that 2026 is going to be a little bit more bullish and that we will start running. But again, guys, that is based on pure, honestly, optimism. Crypto's longest extreme fear in 3 years. The crypto fear and greed index is still at 15, marking 8 days of brutal extreme fear. This is now the longest extreme fear streak since the FTX collapse. And we haven't even had any news like that come out, which that is the crazy part. Lowest I've ever seen it, even lower than the FTX collapse. Again, probably a very solid opportunity to buy. Is that what I'm doing? No, because I have enough right now, guys, and I'm just waiting for the markets to recover. Altcoins versus Bitcoin. Fun fact, every single time over the last 8 years, this chart has bounced off support. It signaled lows were in for alts. Bull markets follow for all of them. At every single point, people said only Bitcoin will run. Altcoins are dead. Every single time there was some significant reason or chart that convinced the herd to panic and sell. The apex predator is trying to move the puppets to do what it wants. Ask yourself why they want you out of the market and what is coming next. I couldn't agree more, right? It feels like we're just trying to be squeezed out of these markets so bad right now. And honestly, if you guys need to be a part of a community at this given moment, guys, just keep in mind, we're not sending as many buy and sell alerts because the markets are unpredictable right now. But if you want to be a part of the Memecoin Mastery, click the link in the description, fellas. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't give you guys financial advice. I'm only here to entertain and educate you. And if that's worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, y'all.